Hindi nga ako nakapaniwala na yung papa ko nakabili. What do you feel when I just turn my head?
I get it, huh?
Huh?
I understand it.
Okay. Allah! What the heck is she doing?
Guys, really f***ing moron?
Misty likes salami. She takes it right away.
She likes... How do you know that?
Good morning, Philippines!
I love you. Good morning. Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, I'm ready. Ito yung suotin ko. Nag-ano lang ako guys, half bath, hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko. So I went upstairs and nag half bath lang kasi I noticed sobrang dry. Usually itong buhok ko, dito lang yung dry. Na-notice ko sobrang dinadry ko siya every time na pagkatapos kong maligo, I blow dry it. Na-notice ko guys na na parang nag-ano siya, kinky. So, punta kami sa dialysis early. Kasi, kailangan and wala na pala akong pera. Ginamit ko kahapon. Inom ako ng tubig dun guys. Kasi nauuhaw talaga ako. As in, uhaw na uhaw. At saka every time I drink water, it helps my throat. Kasi dito sa lalamunan ko, Makati. So, every time I drink water, it helps like it's clean up my lalamunan. Ito yung binili kong jeans guys sa Walmart. Maganda siya, high-waisted. Dalawa tong binili ko. Sinuot ko kahapon yung isa. And ito siya is gusto ko. I want to get more of this. Meron silang yung pale na blue. As in really pale na blue na yun. Nag-send ako ng mga pictures sa sister ko. I don't know if I told you. Yung father ko nakabili ng second hand na multi-cab dahil sa kapa. 'Di ba yung kapa, nasabi ko sa inyo, nakabili siya second hand nga lang pero mura man lang niya nabili. Pero naayo ng kapatid ko kasi yung kapatid ko magaling ng mga truck. Kasi driver kasi siya ng truck. So he's been driving for a long time. So alam niya kung paano kapag masiraan siya, siya yung gumawa. So alam niya lahat kung paano ayusin lahat. So, siya yung mag-ayos. Naayos na siya, guys. Ngayon, kulang na lang pintal at saka rehistro. Ipa-change sa ngalan sa papa ko. Pero, masaya sila. Ito yung plano. Nagsin ako ng mga pictures kung anong gusto nilang mga gusto nilang mga paint. So, ito yung sinend ko sa papa ko na pintal. At nagustuhan ng papa ko at saka yung kapatid kong bunso kasi sila yung nagdesisyon sabi ni papa sa bunso daw yun. Yung multicab, it's just like hindi naman siya pangit. Pakita ko sa inyo. Lang, kailangan ng touch. Maliit siya, pang family lang ito guys, hindi ito pang tawag nito? Pang pasahero. Yung travel to kasi nasa Davao sila, 'di ba? Travel daw nila pang punta sa probinsya kung saan kami galing kasi yung papa ko palaging bumabalik doon and nagmumotor sila, 'di ba? Nakakapagod 'yun. And 'yun. Ito siya, kailangan lang ng changes. Okay na ito, bagong na to. Itong picture na to is yung gulong. Pinalitan ng papa ko ng bagong gulong. Yung makina is brand new. And, yun. And, dalawang makina sila. May extra silang makina. Battery. Inayos nila pati brake lahat. So, this is good. Yan. Ito siya sa loob. Ito yung sister ko. Yan. Okay siya sa loob eh. Hindi siya yung ibang second hand. Matagal ng mga Hindi yung makikita mo na multicab na nabibili mo na sobrang mura at saka second hand is yung tinataya na ba, parang nagtaya na sa Bisaya pa, nagtaya na yung bakal pero ito sobrang ganda pa. Ayun. And hinabi ko lang ito sa inyo guys kasi hindi nga ako nakapaniwala na yung papa ko nakabili ng multi-cab. Sabi pa ni papa, meron na tayong pang kapag maligo tayo sa Samal, meron na tayong, hindi na tayo magrenta ng jeep. Kasi usually magre-rent kami ng jeep kapag naliligo. Maraming mga batikos ngayon sa kapa, di ba? Pero may mga din, mga sagot yung founder na hindi mag-alala. Sana naman okay lahat, di ba? Sayang naman yung pera nilagay doon, guys. Anyway, I will see you later. Punta lang kami doon. Oh, miss this kami.
Wow.
Huh? I'll do it. Did you give them treats? Bye, mates. Bye, love.
Hi, Robs.
Her therapy is 9:30. My gardener, guys, maingay. Oh, I have to write you a check and then you have to go to the bank, okay? Deposit that, okay?
Yeah.
The other one and the other one. Ito yung jeans, guys. Oh, maganda siya, guys. Kaso lang, it's very stretchable. This one, guys, is stretchable. I got 9 and 7. So this jeans is 7. Careful, Han, ha? La. Yeah. When I go back to the Philippines, I will probably get like few jeans over there, guys. I like Frigo. Levi's, guys, don't know. I never buy Levi's in the Philippines. It's crazy money. It's like 1,000 plus each. It's ridiculous. I need to buy Frigo. I love Frigo. There's another one. And I'm a really bad coughing last night. Huh?
Oh, really?
No, I mean when you go to bed, I cannot even say goodnight to you.
Yeah.
I can't even go. What do you feel when I just turn my head?
I get it, huh?
Huh?
I understand.
Okay. You should flush that woman. You should run fast. She's gonna get wet. Like, shoo! She's over there, really close to the water.
A lot of people do that. I'm not one of them. People used to do it to me when I was a kid.
You know, guys, when there is a water pod, how do you call it? Paddle. If there's a paddle and then people walking close to the paddle, you run fast, then the water is flushed to the people. You get wet. Yeah, I know, it's really bad. But I
going to school, they're going somewhere, and
Yeah.
now they're all covered in mud and water.
Yeah, usually do that to the kids.
Yeah, only assholes do that.
Yeah. Good luck,
God bless
Sammy.
my face.
Good luck.
Go take a few moves. What am I gonna do?
I know. I said good luck. Wala.
I hate to back up on the hill because it takes more power and makes you jump back.
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. There is a guy over there.
Yeah, he's waiting. He's not, huh?
Yeah, he's not. He's
Okay.
Oh, he is. Ah, he is.
Right.
He's parking over there. Good luck to him. Let's see.
There's more space there now than when we parked.
Mom is doing better every day.
Yeah, that's the idea.
That's good. I'm worried if I'm like last night I was worried if she get my coughing and thingy. She starts saying, oh, my throat is bothers me. Allah! What the heck is she doing?
Guys, really f***ing moron? Not only did he not even slow down or stop, he didn't even look. He's looking like this, like looking to somebody.
Because he is thinking that she's doing the wrong move. Because she think he is the right one.
Yeah, look at idiots.
Red lights, and he just keep going, and it seems like she thinks he's looking at the guy
Not even
that
looking,
in the right.
Not even looking in front of him to see who he's gonna hit.
Yeah. Just some drivers are not meant to be hit. Not meant to be the driver, but they get a freaking license. They got license, guys. Bakit naman itin? Kahiyon kay ko, guys. I've been drinking water and I don't finish the whole water, but kahiyon kay ko. Grabe. You know the sign of aging, guys? When every time you cough, you squirt. And then you know how to control it, but you know it's gonna come out. That means you're getting oldie.
That's why they sell those liners, those panty liner things.
Yeah, they have that for elderly use, huh?
Yes, and they have the underwear.
The underwear for people that cannot control their
They have the pads.
pee-pee paddy.
It's only supposed to be for that. Those times when you laugh and you get a little leakage when you laugh.
Yeah, when you laugh, when you cough,
That's what it's for.
when you
but
sneeze,
Pretty much.
you get a little bit of something coming out. It's a pee. It's not something, but it's pee. And you feel it when it's coming, and then you try to hold it. Please don't go. Please don't come out. It's embarrassing. Do you have a sign over there that the bird pick up garbage?
The birds pick up garbage?
Yeah, the birds.
Yeah, birds pick up garbage.
The sign over
Are
there.
they unionized?
Unionized. No, they pick up garbage. Like they pick something and then carry it somewhere if it's a food or something. It's a sign over there.
Okay.
Halahan, it's a garbage day, han.
Yes, paper.
It's a paper. Do we have paper? Yes, we do.
Sure.
Yes, we do. I want to go run to the bathroom and pee-poy. Say, color.
I don't have the collar on. Collar? Are you kidding?
Somebody's
What are you talking
watching.
about?
Somebody's watching.
Of course somebody's watching.
Watching? What is that?
Salami.
Cold cuts? You're not gonna eat the regular food, Tommy. You keep eating that. Guys, you know what, guys? He loves this Italian. Well, like he loves that. Honey, eh?
Watch the tongue.
I'm sure she's licking her chops. Tell her to kiss you. Ay. Don't worry, guys. Misty's always have something, whatever Roxy have. But Misty is kinda weird.
Now, Misty likes salami. She takes it right away.
She loves. How do you know that? She loves salami.
Watch the tongue.
Oh my God, Roxy, you just swallow it, Roxy, without chewing it. My God, this is not good, guys. Don't do it at home. Don't do this at your pet
Can I get a
because
kiss? Can I get a kiss?
kisses,
Oh,
rocks.
Wait a minute, kiss. Rocks. Wait. You should give me a kiss all the time. What happens? That's food.
Give
Come
me
on,
kisses.
Give me a kiss.
Kisses.
Kiss.
It's a quick kiss because she's
Yeah,
like
it's
it.
okay. She's
Hansi,
fine.
hello, Hansi, just swallow it, hon.
Oh, Misty, give me a kiss too. Kiss. Stop it.
That's it. Get down. That's it. And enough. That's it, rocks. That's why they love you, hon.
Is that why they love me? Is that it? Is that the only reason you guys love me?
Because you spoil them. But Mama is very strict. If we have a kid, hon, I'm the strict. Did you notice that?
Mm-hmm.
I will be the
You're the
strict.
mean one.
It's strict and then you go to the mean one. I'm strict, hon. I'm not mean. I'm just very strict and very,
You're the mean
very...
one.
I'm not... Han?
Look, you're right there.
Han, I am strict, Han, because I am worried. I don't want them to be in danger. I don't want to lose them. And I gonna be the same thing. If we have a kid, I will be very protective. And you know you're protective at the same time you are spoiling it them. Last your ass.
Last.
Last lagi ba? Last your ass, Jud.
Oh, she knows.
She knows it.
She knows the word last.
She walked away after.
Thank you.
What is it? Mr. what?
Grinch.
Saying it, baby, for the vlog.
No.
Mr.
Roxy,
Grinch.
please.
This is what he said, guys. Sing it.
You're a mean one.
Mr. Grinch.
Mean. What is it without the mean part?
Yeah, but this is Mr. Grin.
Right, you're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
You are the one.
Grinch, the Grinch who stole Christmas.
Ah, the
really?
Grinch. Yeah. Mr. Grinch. You are the mean one like Tammy boy. Tammy boy.
In this case, it's Mrs. Grinch.
Honey. Act like he's a millennial, guys. Every time I talk to him, guys,
God.
he is like on the phone.
Yes, I'm listening to you.
No, I don't want
Speak
you to
already.
be. I don't want you to be in the phone. Say it.
And
Say
then
it.
she-
What I have
then
in
she
my
says,
door.
but what's yours is mine, and what's mine is mine.
So.
Yours is mine, mine is mine, everything's mine.